So I guess we're at the next phase. Everything's been chopped up and thrown into this pan. Oh, except that. What's that?
Cream cheese. Vegan cream cheese.
Vegan cream cheese. Now, is that the right way to say vegan? I've heard lots of people say vegan. Hey, where's that finger bin, by the way? I hope it's clean.
I just washed it. See, my hands are still wet because I just washed them.
Okay.
Okay, so what's in here is the chicken.
Yep.
The green chiles.
The mock chicken.
Mock chicken, onions, and the peppers. And now the cream cheese, of course.
Oh, the peppers, you chopped all those up too?
Yes.
Like one can, it looks like.
I did too.
Oh, okay.
Now, if I was making this for me, I would put all 6 cans, but I want to keep it mild.
Is this going to make all of the little enchiladas?
Yes.
Really? Just this right here?
This is the filling. Yeah, it's going to have about 2 tablespoons each, because remember, we're using the small tortillas.
Okay.
We're not using the big
So that
ones.
was all 3 things of that fake chicken?
No, I saved about 5 of the little cutlets to make you a sandwich later.
Oh.
But let me show you what it looks like.
Okay. And you just cut those and chopped all those up and put them in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty easy. So anyways, this is the filling. It's pretty much it. A few ingredients. It's going to be really creamy and delicious when it's done. I have an extra cream cheese. I may put some in here, but I think this is going to be
Wow,
plenty.
that's a lot of cream cheese. You put 2 big, huge containers of that stuff in there.
It's not big containers, only 8 ounces.
Yeah, that's true. Little.
Doesn't that look good already?
Oh, I don't know.
Have you ever had green enchiladas?
I've had something kind of like it, not exactly the same. So, what are you going to do with these little tortillas? Tortillas. Gluten-free too. Everything is vegan here because it's going to a potluck at a church, I understand.
I think you meant vegan.
Vegan.
So
Yeah, I want to see you prepare this and put all this stuff together is what I want to say.
Okay, well this is done. I'm just going to let it cool a little
Well, that's done. That's it.
This is it.
It's just, you've just mixed it all around. You don't have to cook it anymore
No.
now.
Well, nothing in here was raw anyway because the chicken's, cooked already. It's just a matter of heating it all up together.
Okay.
So this is phase 2, phase 3
Phase 3 coming up.
coming up. Are you going to help me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, we're in stage 3 already. You were supposed to call me.
I got carried away.
Okay. All right, so you just heated those up with oil.
A little bit of oil.
A little tiny bit of oil.
Okay, and the reason I do that is because when I roll them, I don't want the tortilla to crack. So this softens it.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting them from the bottom because they're cooler.
Okay. So you just made them a little bit more flexible.
Yeah, so this way they'll do that without breaking.
Okay.
And here's my filling. I'm taking about a tablespoon.
It's Mother! Hey! Anna is showing us how to make
Green enchiladas.
green enchiladas. That's what it's called? Green enchiladas.
Yeah, green because of the green sauce.
Okay. Yeah, because you haven't used this sauce yet. I'm kind of anxious to see where that goes.
I'm going to pour it on top.
Okay. I kind of like the size of those little...
Traditionally, the tortillas are bigger, but because this is potluck and there's going to be a lot of people, the serving is perfect.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And you can serve more people because there were 60 of those in a little pack.
Yeah, I'm going to make all 60.
Yeah.
You should try this, Barbara. It's really good.
Anna, did you read this, a message from Mark?
I did. I did. I think it just says staff, or does it name us? Or just our first names, I think it said.
Yeah, Anna and Deborah.
See how good that looks?
Okay, so you're going to do all 60 of them and they're going to fit in here?
No, I have the other one right there extra.
Oh, okay, so 30 is going to go in here, 30 is going to go in there. So you just do one layer, you don't stack those on top of each other?
That's right.
Okay. All right, keep her going. Looks like you got a little ways to go.
You could help.
Yeah, I like the fact that those smaller ones fit nicely right in this pan. And what else did you say? There were some other things. You're supposed to put your hair up so you don't get hair down in the food.
I forgot.
That's what you told me.
I did. I almost pretty much every time I cook, I do that.
Yeah.
But today I didn't.
And see, I noticed some of those tortilla shells are bent. And that's another reason why you heat them up first.
Yeah.
Because you could just put them in here without heating them, right? But they're just not going to work as
Plus
easily.
they'll break too.
Yeah, they'll break. How do you know you're going to have enough filling for 60 of these? Because it sure looked like you're putting quite a bit in there.
You think so? Well, we already have what, 2.
Yeah. No, actually, you're actually doing really super good.
Yeah, because I'm at a quarter. If you think
Yeah.
about it, I've only used a quarter.
You're going to have some of that left. Now, if you have some left, what would you do with the rest of that?
Ooh, good question. Tacos. It could be a good taco filling.
Oh.
You can make chalupas with that. Do you know what chalupas are?
Yeah, kind of.
Or a big giant burrito.
Okay, so all kinds of things
A
that
wrap.
this vegan material is going to be used for.
You said it right.
Vegan. I keep saying it's vegan.
You want me to Google it?
But I think high society says vegan.
The snotty people do.
I don't know. I think it's either or. Vegan or vegan.
So, since you're here,
Okay.
is
So now that's the green chili sauce that you got.
I did. And I
Right.
tasted, just in case I need to add extra flavors to it, but it's perfect.
Okay.
I love the taste of it. It's very good. And there's no really pretty way to do this. I'm going to use the ladle. Don't make a mess.
Green enchiladas we're making here.
Just enough to cover.
It actually doesn't look that hard what you're doing.
It's
Any
not.
average Joe could do this, you think?
You want to try it?
No.
Add more tortillas.
Somebody has to run the video camera.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Okay, then once this is all done, then the cheese goes on top.
Okay.
And then-
See how much more of this stuff you're going to put on. You just put enough.
To cover.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Man, you got enough. You got plenty of that chili sauce in because you got 3 of those
3 cans.
containers.
Okay, so this is done. I'm stopping
Okay,
here.
that's it. Now you're going to go veggie. Mozzarella flavored shreds.
And it melts too, which is really good.
Vegan cheese that melts.
How many packages of these do we get? Do we get 2?
Oh, I thought you got
I thought I got 3 of everything.
3, but maybe not. I don't know.
Let me get some extra flavors. So.
Okay,
Voila.
so that's it, huh?
That's it. See,
Well, you got more cheese. Why not put more on there or not?
I don't want to make them too cheesy because it already has that filling inside that's really soft already.
Okay. Okay, so what are you going to do with that now?
Foil in the oven.
For how long?
Well, like I said, it's already cooked. It's just to heat and melt the cheese.
Okay.
So I'm going to say maybe 25 minutes,
At what temperature?
350.
350, and you put the foil over that first.
Yes.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay. Wow.
Now, I don't know if I should cook them here and heat them at church or just cook them at church.
I guess you'll have to decide that.
Okay,
I want to see you do some more of these tortillas over here.
it's really hard.
You got this on medium.
Yes.
What? A medium, and are you going to put any oil in there?
Yeah, just a little bit.
And you
I don't wanna
wanted
waste this
you
cheese.
wanted a certain type of oil, right?
I did.
What did you get?
I got the just vegetable oil. What I didn't want was olive oil.
Okay, because if you use olive oil, what happens if you use olive oil?
It changed the flavor.
Okay.
So, what I should have done is I got in corn oil because this is corn, but
Yeah, but I think
just a smidgy.
You know.
That's it.
okay,
Did you see how
that's
much?
it. Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want to fry the tortillas. I just want to soften them.
Okay.
And what I'm doing is putting 2 at a time, just to heat through.
Uh-huh.
Then when they're ready, this is how they come out.
Just like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You flip them over.
I do once. Like this part right here didn't get any of the oil, but that's okay. It's softened up. That's all I need.
Okay.
And I don't even need any more longer than that. This is it.
That's it?
That's it. If you saw some ones that were a little browners, because I got up to get something to drink. And,
Oh, okay.
see, at this
Okay.
point, I'm not going to put any more oil because there's still some on this side. That's plenty.
Okay.
Again, it's not to fry them, it's to soften them.
Well, I could see if you had bigger tortilla shells, you'd only be able to put one in at a
One at a
time.
time, yeah. And not only that, if I
And
were to...
that's plenty for somebody. Then they can get two and think they're eating a lot more when actually they're only eating one and a little bit more and more.
I agree, and usually at church when they do bring enchiladas, they slice them in half.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen it where they run a knife through, so this way they can just...
Because see, the other enchiladas, the shells would be longer, so you couldn't put in as many in here. And then usually all they do is cut them up anyways.
Exactly.
So those fit perfectly in there. You got 30 of them in there, huh?
You know, did we count?
Oh, I don't know.
20.
Okay,
10 and 10.
so you're going to do 60 of these total, so you're going to need 3 of these containers. Okay, because I thought you were halfway done. All right, you're going to be close. Good. Hope
Well,
you got
I think
another
so.
pan.
I've used a third of the
Yeah,
mixture, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be perfect.
good.
I'm gonna look for the other cheese though, because I thought we bought 3.
Oh, well, maybe not.
Okay.
Okay, well, I
Well,
think you still have enough because you got a little bit of cheese in here. You have a little bit in there. You'll be perfect. Okay.
You
all
want
right.
to call you when it's over? You want me to call you when it's over?
Yes.
Okay. Well, look the same.
Yeah, they all look the same, and you're going to put them in. Maybe I'll take a quick little check on them after you have them cooked, but that's really not going to tell us anything. And you think these taste just about the same as
Regular chicken enchiladas.
really? Wow.
You'll be surprised.
Okay, thank you, Anna. Hey, you brought up a good point, and I might as well add it on to this video about the cost of this meal. How is this in relation to the same thing if you weren't using vegan products?
It would be more but cost efficient if I had bought the chicken, used regular cheese, than the vegan stuff because it is pricey.
It is pricey, huh?
It's pricey.
Because you've got enough for 60 of these, and they're the small ones. How much money do you think you spent altogether for this meal?
Oh, I'm trying to remember.
$45?
Well, we went to 2 stores.
$45.
I think so.
I'm gonna guess $45. And had you have used regular chicken and regular cheese, let's say, I mean, my word, this cheese was pretty expensive
$3.59, I think it was.
to begin with, and this cream cheese was pretty expensive, and they were small
It was.
containers, and the fake chicken was pretty expensive. Everything was pretty. So how much do you think?
I'm going to say $40 to $45 is very accurate.
No, okay, $40 to $45 for this meal.
Yes.
But if it was not vegan, if it was
Oh.
regular chicken, what would it be? About half, or maybe $30?
Oh,
As
no. I've made this before. With real
20
chicken.
bucks. 20 bucks? $25? Less?
Maybe like 15.
Oh. So there you go. If you want to go vegan, as you know, it always costs more. But hey, some people just don't like it the other way, and some people,
It is healthy this way, but again,
yeah, feel they're getting something more healthy, and they just don't like eating meat, I guess.
you're going to be good. You're going to love them.
Okay. Well, the taste might be good too. All right. Well, thanks for that information. Good to know.